So we're looking at a Bosch air conditioner. I'll be doing this video in a few parts, so let's start off by showing you the box that it comes in. It comes up to my hips and it says on the package that the whole thing weighed 28 kilos, so it's quite a substantial thing. I've already taken the sleeve off, so here you have the unit itself. Luckily it's a bit smaller and it will be shorter still when I take it out of the bottom packaging. As well as that, let me just tilt the camera. You get this carton inside the carton, so it's got the pipe, some foam packaging materials, remote control, and the all important instructions. Before I go on to the next stage, I will read the instructions, and there's also this bit of kit here, which I don't know what it is yet, but I'll be having a look. It slides. Oh, I see, that's for the window. So that's the initial look at it, and once I've fully unpacked it and read the instructions and operated it, I will then do the second part. Okay, you've seen it unpacked and now we've got it up and running. It's not turned on for the minute, but I'll turn it on in a second. So let's talk about it. First of all, the instructions. There's a lot to read. There are 20 odd pages that you need to go through. Okay, it's very thick, but it's in lots of languages. But there's a lot to read because it's quite a complex piece of kit. So, what have we got? There you can see it. It's got wheels, but I wouldn't say that they're the freest things in the world. If you try to move it on thick carpet, you don't stand a chance. But it's got two handles to help you move it around with. So, as you can see, I've fitted it up at the back so that the warm air vents outside. That's essential if you're going to use it as an air conditioner. You can't use it without the hose because it does need to get rid of the warm air. Quite a simple job. Also at the back there are two drains. If you use it as a dehumidifier, you'll need to drain the water. It doesn't need the hose to be used as a dehumidifier, but you do need to get rid of the water that you're pulling out the atmosphere. So we'll connect that up again and swivel it round and turn it on. So it's relatively noisy. It runs on my measurement at around about 60 decibels. And it seems to be much the same. It's got a number of different modes. It's got auto, silent, and sleep. And to be honest, they're all relatively the same noise. Maybe when it settles down it might be a little bit better. You have the swing option. Put that on swing and you can see the flap is directing the air up and down, so you get a better spread of cool air. And it is quite cool. You can noticeably feel how cool the air is. It's dropped a degree since I've turned it on, and I've only had it on a short time. So the remote control has lots of functions, but you can also do them all on this panel here. A useful feature is the remote control has got a magnetic housing, so you can always know where it is. I've simply got it pushing out of the door right now. but you get this useful panel that you can fit into a window. You can trim the inside so that you can slide it to close, and the hose fits in there. There are screws provided and screw holes so that you can make it more permanent. And you get foam to help stop the air getting everywhere. And if you use it as a dehumidifier, they fit onto the drains that you saw at the back, and it goes into a bucket that you'll place there. First thing I want to say is it's effective. It really is cooling the air. Second, it's made by Bosch. We have a number of Bosch appliances and they have been very reliable up to now. I don't think of it as paying extra. I think of it as making an investment into your goods. So I really do like it, and it has to have 5 stars.